Hi, if you never built a website before, this video is for you. Today, I'm comparing Squarespace AI and InMinutes AI to see which one is actually easier for beginners. I built the same website on both platforms, starting from scratch and comparing the entire experience.
Yeah, let's start with Squarespace here. So basically, these kind of websites, after you signing up, starting to ask several questions about the website that you're gonna create. And yeah, after sign up, Squarespace asks a series of questions about your business. Before generating your website, you describe what you do, choose your preference, and let the AI create the first version. Okay, so the first page after you choosing create a website is their Blueprint AI, which is the Squarespace AI website builder. There is also some photography website templates here to choose if you didn't like the AI generated website. And we're gonna go with this version. It's very clear and clean website. I'm gonna go with this default setup. And yeah, our dashboard is here and it's ready to use. And when it comes to editing, you're mostly working inside a traditional site editor. And it's like you can click into sections, change layout, update text, replace images, and customize almost every part of the website. And yeah, let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, this is our website that their AI website builder, which called as Blueprint AI, generated for us. It's very nice. It has a contact form here. It has polished images, newsletter, form here. Yeah, and it is mobile responsive and desktop responsive as well. So let's edit our website here. And yeah, you can now edit your website right away in the drag and drop section that they created for you. As I understand here, there is no AI editor which you can chat and edit your website. And yeah, you can edit your sections and components by the drag and drop rules that they have created for you here. And it's very easy for everybody to just shape their website. And let's, for example, change this to heading 3 or heading 2. Or for example, this image here. We can choose and replace the image or edit it like this and stuff like that. So it's very easy, but like the flexibility is great, but if you never built a website before, there can be a bit of learning curve there. And yeah, you can just save your website here, and whenever you were happy, you just can hit the publish your site here and upgrade your plan to be able to publish your website on a real domain. Now, let's see how the same process works in minutes. As you can see here, it has the same process as Squarespace has it. It's like you want to generate your website with the AI or you just go with templates. So as it's recommended itself, as I'm going with generation process. So it asks about my business. I'm going with the same exact thing that we went with Squarespace, which is a photography, but I will call it as my cat's name. and it's a photography website. You can also choose your website language here, which has so many languages. It's support Arabic and Persian as well, Hebrew or Hindi and Chinese as well. So I'm going with English, and the next slide is what do you do? So it's basically about your business. As I choose the um, photography here, it asks about my plans and sell plan and what packages do I have, or it says you can just describe it. I just going to ignore this step and just put my um, city's name here. And the next step is a random number that I am going to provide here. So my business email is something simple again. So the next step is our brands and logo and colors and stuff. I am not gonna choose any logo here or any color palette. I will leave the rest for the InMinutes to choose anything that it understands from my business. But I can choose the light mode or dark mode. So, and it's a brand tune for my brand. I am going with playful, or I don't know, sophisticated is good as well. So I don't know, let's go with playful and continue. So it's choose your layout. What is a custom layout? Okay, so I can choose what layout sections or what page sections do I need for my website. I am going with about, testimonials, and contact form. It was very smooth. So let's say create my website here. They says that they can create website under 2 minutes, and it's 3:27 right now. And let's see how many minutes it takes to creating a website. So instead of answering multiple setup questions, I simply enter my business information and let the AI handle the rest. Within a moment, it generates a complete website with branding, content, image, and contact information, and the overall layout. And yeah, that's done. So this is my website right now, and it's very clear, very clean, with a good shaped layout for my hero section. It also has responsivity here. So let's check it. All right. So amazing. So yeah, it also has inline editor, which we can use for editing. It's amazing. Let's pick a color for these ones. It's very easy to use, man. Amazing. So okay, let's check the AI editor as well. I'm gonna go with add um, let's say add a gallery section to my website and see what it can do with my website. The AI apply those changes automatically, and making the editing process feel much more conversational. And I guess it's very useful for someone who doesn't know about coding or doesn't want to drag and drop or use the inline editor as well. They can chat with AI and just change their website as easy as a text message can be sent. And it's like when everything looks right, publishing the website only takes a click here, I guess. All right, so it added gallery section to my page here. And yeah, when everything looks right, publishing the website, it only takes a click. And you can just, by clicking publish my website and upgrading your plans and billings, publish your website on a real domain. Which one is better for beginners? Squarespace AI gives you a powerful website builder with lots of customization options. If you enjoy fine-tuning every detail, it's a solid choice, I guess. So, but InMinutes focuses on getting your website online as quick as possible. The AI, handle most of the work, and editing feels more like chatting than building. Um, so if you're creating your very first website and want the fastest path from idea to a live website, InMinutes offer a simpler experience. And if you use either of these builders, let me know which one you prefer in the comments. And if you'd like to see more AI website builder comparison, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much and have a good day.